Good morning, guys. Now I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy my tea, and I like to play some ambiance screens in the background, or I like to play music. I'm just getting ready for the gym now. I don't go to the gym every day, but when I do, this is what my morning routine looks like. I like to do my skincare and put on a little bit of makeup. Hi guys, good morning. I just thought I'd get ready for the last bit on here on camera, so I'm just gonna apply my makeup. This is so dirty because I honestly use this every single day. I thought I dropped makeup on me here. Honestly, it's a little bit hard to do makeup in the camera, so I'm trying my best. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows and I just put some blush on my cheeks, and I already have lip balm on. And that's it. It's just really simple. On most days, this is all that I do. Like, I don't do anything too crazy unless I'm going out or something. And I already brushed my hair. Forgot to put on my earrings. 1 second. Almost lost an earring. Okay. I have 2 piercings on each ear. Okay, so I've done each ear. Okay, so we're done. This is my current favorite breakfast at the moment, and I love adding double the cheese. It's time to meal prep. Thanks for watching.